guys, my name is Tej and welcome back to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to talk about everything you need to know about the NFTs. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any projects out there. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. So NFT, also known as non-fungible token, basically means any digital art, collectible, video games, virtual worlds that can be tokenized on the blockchain. Non-fungible basically means that it's unique and it cannot be replaced with something else. For example, Bitcoin is fungible, so you can trade one Bitcoin for another Bitcoin and you'll have exactly the same thing. But let's say if there is a painting of Mona Lisa, that is non-fungible. So if you trade it for a different copy of Mona Lisa, you would end up with completely different assets. Most NFTs are part of Ethereum blockchain, and Ethereum is basically a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain supports these NFTs. So this is the website of OpenSea where you can trade, discover, collect and sell your own NFTs as well. Click this button that says explore. You're going to see all the NFT collections out there. So it can be art, collectible, domain name, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, virtual world. NFTs can really be anything digital, but a lot of current excitement is because of the technology that has been used to sell these art forms. In technical sense, every NFT is a unique token on the blockchain. But while it could be like Van Gogh, but there is only one definitive actual version of Van Gogh out there. And it could also be like trading card where there's 50 or hundreds of number of copies of the same artwork. So basically, why would you pay so much amount of money for a piece of art? It actually comes down to this feeling of owning something valuable, something unique. Usually people buy NFT because of investment reasons, because they believe that the value of a particular NFT would go up in future, or they buy it because they are an art collector, they like to own pieces of art. CryptoPunks has been trending a lot because they have sold approximately 767.3k of Ethereum, which is a lot of money. There have been 3.3k owners so far, and they have listed 10,000 items. So CryptoPunks was launched as a fixed asset of 10,000 items in 2017, and it became one of the inspirations for ERC 721 standard. They have been featured in places like New York Times, Christie of London's, Art Base Miami, and PBS NewsHour. And these are all the NFT collections listed on their platform. You can also filter them out based on a certain criteria. For example, if you want to see an NFT within a particular price range, you can click over here and filter it out. The next NFT that I want to show you guys is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and they have currently had a volume of 277.3k Ethereum, which is pretty impressive. 59 Ethereum is the floor price and 6,000 are the owners of these NFT. So this is basically a collection of 10,000 unique Bored Ape NFTs, unique digital collectible living on the Ethereum blockchain, and your Bored Ape doubles as your Yacht Club membership card and grants access to members only benefit. The first of which is access to the bathroom, a collaborative graffiti board, and future areas and perks can be unlocked by the community through roadmap activation. Over the past 90 days, you can see that this is the volume that has been traded so far, which is pretty impressive. That's approximately 100k plus in purchasing and selling this NFT. For instance, over here you're going to see that this NFT was sold for 65 Ethereum, and it was sold from this guy over here to this guy 5 minutes ago. So that's pretty impressive. They have been making a lot of money over the past few months, and that's really crazy about NFT. Also, the CEO Nick Rose has just announced that they have signed a huge football team on a 3-year deal. And you're going to speculate what football team this might be and how huge signing with a sports team is for eternity as well. It's just my guess, but I think they have signed this deal with Manchester United, but we'll see, time shall tell. I also want to show you some of the projects with eternity that were really successful. So we have this guy over here with Lionel Messi, which turned out to be really amazing. The price of this NFT collection is $9,173. The next collection that I want to show you is this guy over here. This was also very successful. So this is called as Shaquille O'Neal Common, and this is what the NFT little 3D video looks like, and it is priced at $194. That said, approach NFTs just like you would with any other investment out there. Do your own research, understand the risk involved in it, and also understand that there is a chance that you might lose all the money or sure there is a chance that you might make a lot of money. And if you do decide to enter the world of NFT, do your own research, do your own due diligence. But overall, I feel that NFTs are here to stay. But again, time will tell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.